The apple cider vinegar weight loss diet has been a popular concept for a while now. But does this strong, cloudy condiment really help you lose weight? Apple cider vinegar for weight loss has recently attracted much attention, with celebrities and wellness experts declaring it the secret ingredient to their enviable physiques. Far from being a miraculous new Hollywood discovery, the humble apple cider vinegar has been used worldwide for thousands of years in many cultures and traditional health practices. It has been proven to support the stomach by aiding digestion. Unfiltered apple cider vinegar contains strands of protein, enzymes, and healthy bacteria known as the mother. This looks like a cloudy, cobwebby substance at the bottom of the bottle. This substance contains friendly bacteria, meaning it can support a healthy gut. When we eat or drink anything containing friendly bacteria, this bacteria encourages the growth of more healthy bacteria in the gut. This supports a colony of beneficial gut bacteria, a microbiome. These beneficial bacteria help us digest and extract nutrients from the food we eat. If our microbiome is out of kilter and our levels of good bacteria are low, our bodies can't get nutrients from food as effectively. So, in a nutshell, probiotic bacteria equals better digestion equals weight loss. We all know that constipation leaves us feeling bloated and heavy, while eliminating waste leaves us feeling lighter. Adding apple cider vinegar to your morning routine could help you get going for the day. This is because apple cider vinegar is a source of pectin, a type of soluble fiber found in apples. Pectin acts as a natural laxative and could help to stimulate a bowel movement. Eating foods high in sugar or refined carbohydrates can cause a sudden rise, or spike, in blood sugar soon after eating. This blood sugar spike causes your body to produce lots of insulin, allowing the glucose entering your body's cells to be used as energy. If you're experiencing frequent blood sugar spikes, your body is producing too much insulin, and your body can stop recognizing it. Over time, this is a risk factor for developing type 2 diabetes. Also, the subsequent blood sugar drop after a spike leads to increased feelings of hunger, cravings, and potentially overeating. This, in turn, leads to weight gain over time. It's been scientifically proven that vinegar, including apple cider vinegar, can help prevent rapid raises in blood sugar, which can help keep your weight stable. This is thought to be down to the acetic acid that vinegar contains. Apple cider vinegar can also improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for the body's cells to recognize insulin, reducing blood sugar spikes and troughs. Drinking apple cider vinegar straight isn't recommended. There are many ways to drink it, including adding a tablespoon or two to a cup of green tea or even adding a spoonful to some warm water with honey and lemon. If that's not for you, why not swap out regular vinegar for apple cider vinegar at mealtimes? You can add it to salad dressings, make a tasty vinaigrette, and drizzle it over any dish. So to help yourself on your weight loss journey, why not try adding apple cider vinegar to your morning routine? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.